There is a few tricky ways that I do it though. First of all, I'll show you the general one, which is just checkout started, has placed order 0 times. So this filter here basically means if they've placed an order since been in this flow, they won't receive any more emails. So let's just delete this one for now. So guys, if you have this, the highly converting sexy e-commerce email templates, you can just come over here, and if you haven't got it, I'll put a link below so you can go download them. But what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to take, so I'll drag this across for me, just drag it closer to my thingy. Take the first name and do this. So it's actually this way in Klaviyo, but we did that one because maybe you had a different thingy, autoresponder. Invalid subject line, could not pass. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. It's that first name. Did you forget something? So let's come in here. We've got my logo. Now in this case, we're not going to take the template simply because the template's more for when we're building out like normal email sequences. But we are going to come in here and we're going to just edit up a couple things. Remember how we did this? Hustle mode logo. And we've got the www.hustlemode.store. And then we've got block images. Again, we're going to come here, white. I'm going to make it look nicer. I'm going to delete most of this, to be honest. Delete that. Leave the thingy. So basically, this is going to be their product. So what I want you to do is come over here to the highly converting sequences. Company logo, and then the headline is hi first name. So put this in here, hi first name. And again guys, the first name is, and then we're going to do that. So hi first name. We know life is busy, blah 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 blah. Take that, copy it in, blah blah blah. But always write like this guys. So just because we can't do it in that, always write like this so it's nice and easy to read. Now, again, go to styles, come down here where it says thingy, we're going to go to 22 so it's nice and easy to read. As you can see, it blows it up, and you'll see why shortly when you use it on your thingy. Your mobile, you'll kind of like do a test, you'll do a preview, and you'll send it to your mobile. Now, what we're going to do is take out these little bits here because that's fine. Have your links to your Facebook, return a cart. I want you to take this line here, copy and paste it. So we know life is busy. So that says complete your order, hyperlink to cart. So complete your order needs to be hyperlinked. Cool, nice and easy. So that is now going to take them straight back to their cart. So it says within the next 15 minutes and get a 15% off. So what you're going to have to do, guys, is go create a code at your checkout. So at the checkout, use, let's just say save 15 to, sorry guys, off your first order. This one we're going to make a bit smaller, probably down to 14. All right. So that's basically it. That is literally your first one, and that should do pretty well. I mean, the font is a little unreadable, really, if you think about it. Don't really like the font on this one. And it's not changing, so whatever. And I want you to do this now. So here you can do the same thing. Complete your purchase now. So that's going to say their first name too. So guys, that's the first one. And that's going to trigger pretty much instantly on a cart abandon. So first email done. And guys, all you have to do for the next ones is maybe, oh wait, we're going to change this. Sorry guys, forgot about this. I usually do it within half an hour. Studies have shown that apparently people purchase within the first hour of the abandon. Apparently the purchases are like 1,000% higher. So I always do this, and I get quite good returns with it. So now we can go over to the second one. So we'll do 3 for these examples, and we'll do what we call a discount ladder. So how we said the next 15 minutes, I always do hours, because we know if they abandon the cart, 12 hours ago, I mean, what if it was at 10 p.m. at night? So I'd do one about 4 hours later. I'd say so. I'd actually, to be honest, that's a lie. I wouldn't do that. I would have just copied it. That's my bad. Sorry, guys. This is how to make it a bit easier. So clone it and got it 4 hours. And then you can actually just change the content a little bit. So come up here, change it, get rid of this, go to the end, go to 2. Bang. So now you've got most of it already done for you. What do you say? So obviously I forgot to do the hook on the top one, but usually the first name is kind of a bit hooky anyway. We've said it's pretty much, I'll teach you that very shortly actually, why I didn't do it in that specific one. So reminder, I understand that you are busy, and I know that you want this product. I'm gonna do this. That should bring up the item that they wanted. I know that you want this product. Complete your order within the next 15 minutes. Nope. I'm gonna get rid of that completely. This stock is running out rapidly. And as your friend, I had to let you know. Because because I don't want you to miss out. We have only a few left in stock. So don't wait any longer, or you may miss out. Maybe let's do this. I understand you're busy. It's kind of like trying to come from their point of view, like we understand that you're busy. Okay, so I'd save that one. This time I'm actually not going to offer a discount code. I offered it in the first one. Now this one's more like, you're going to miss out. Or maybe let's do it. I extended your thingy, but that's in a PS. We're going to do it in a PS down here. So it's going to go there. PS. I extended your 15% discount for a little while longer. I'm going to go back through and do the event checkout URL. So at the checkout, use the coupon code. Now, always with these, I don't know why, I always do this in a PS. I just think it looks nicer. So PS, I extended your discount for a little while longer. I managed to get my boss to allow it, but it won't last much longer. So make sure you use it. At the checkout, use the coupon code, blah, blah, blah. Back up here, we're going to be saying the stock is running out rapidly. As your friend, I had to let you know. because I don't want you to miss out. We'll have, so don't wait any longer. We'll put a call to action there. And I understand that you're busy, and I know you want this product. Put one here as well. So, got a couple of ways for them to click through. Bang, save that. Actually, guys, I did forget as no, I'm not gonna put this. I'm not gonna put the footer in this because it's pointless. It's an abandoned cart. Okay, so now we're gonna go over to abandoned cart. We're gonna make one more. This is gonna be 24 hours later. The reason why we do after we're going to take away from that, so after 20 hours. So the reason I do this is because I know that now 24 hours, the last time they were shopping was 24 hours ago. So if they were shopping 24 hours ago, it means now when I'm hitting with this one, which is going to be the urgent last chance 20% discount. Oh, we will go back and change that. Actually, I forgot to change the. This one's going to be warning. Product nearly. Let's do this one. Let's go. Event.item is running out of stock. So let's just quickly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly try and show you guys this one as a preview. Alright, so as you can see here, warning is running out of stock. I think it's because we haven't got a product. Oh, we have. Okay, didn't work. Let's just put your product is running out of stock then. But it's a pretty nice email, right? Shay, complete your purchase now. I don't know who the fuck Shay is. Okay, so that didn't work too well, unfortunately, but that's the case. Anyway, so back over here, first name, advent item. Didn't work at all, did it? So, and I know you want this product. Let's change it to your, like, I know you want your product, because that's probably a better word. I know you want your product. Event.item. I might ask Klaviyo how that one works. I know that you can do it. Anyways, so let's go here. Warning. Your item is running out of stock. Let's just put that. You can change it to whatever it is that you want. Urgent. Last chance. Let's not put that in there, it's a little shit. get rid of that. Just have it nice and simple, this one. Okay, so your item will expire in 15 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw one above this here, guys. So it's going to be at the checkout, use the coupon code, save 20 now, and instantly save 20% off of your first purchase. Expires in 1 hour. Let's do 60 minutes. Looks better, doesn't it? 60 minutes expires in 60. Expires in 60 minutes. Okay. Let's center this. That's not the button I press, guys. That's not the button I pressed. Center this. Bold it, but we'll make it smaller. Maybe 12. Bang. So, for some reason that one's gone up at the top a little bit. There we go. I knew that I'd done that. Okay, that's fine. Nice. And that's your third one. So guys, that is the abandoned cart. So let's go back to flows. I'm going to show you the abandoned cart. I want you to edit details. I want you to call this one the general flow, and I'll show you why in the next video. So guys, stay tuned with me, head over to the next video, and I will see you there on exactly what I do with abandoned carts and how I get maybe 3 to 4 times more on a purchase than, on a flow than I would if I was to use a general flow. I'll see you in the next video.